how to check if your iPhone can upgrade to iOS 18. So on your iPhone, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then swipe across and look for settings. Now on the home page, tap on settings. Then in settings, go down, and in here tap on, so I'll go back to the settings page, and then we go down and tap on general. Next tap on about, and in here look for the model name of your device. So on this iPhone here it is iPhone 15. Now if you have an iPhone with these models, then you can upgrade it. So the lowest, it has to be an iPhone 10, so iPhone XR, iPhone XS, or iPhone XS Max. Next is the model iPhone 11. So anything from iPhone 10 upwards you can upgrade, and then you can also upgrade your iPhone SE second generation and third generation. For the first generation you can upgrade it. So if you have any of the following iPhone model, you can upgrade it to iOS 18. And that's it. So in settings you can check the model name of your device that you have, and you can also tap on software update, and then if there is a new update and if your iPhone qualify for it, you should be able to update it as well. And that's it. So that is how you can check to see if your iPhone are eligible for upgrade. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.